Polkadot is a decentralized, secure, scalable, and multi-chain substrate platform for the next generation web. It aims to provide a single-stop solution to developer built yet completable blockchain where the primary power is the hand of the user instead of big corporation. The platform seeks to provide the user with an protocol that will use shares or segments in order to achieve network scalability. Polkadot has the ability to connect Oracle public chains and provide network where independent blockchains using an innovative web type can perform exchange transaction and information in a trusted manner. Polkadot was created by Mr. Gavin Wood, and that's why the platform is known as his brainchild. Moreover, Wood is one of the most influential figures in the early history of Ethereum, as he was the co-developer, CTO, and co-founder of the Ethereum network. In the summer of 2016, Wood came up with the entire idea of Polkadot, and later in October 2016, the very first Polkadot white paper draft was completed. In 2018, Polkadot achieved many development milestones such as BBQ Bridge testnet, the development of POC1 on-chain protocol for governance, and its upgraded version POC2. Later, in January 2019, the completion of Polkadot POC3 protocol was announced. At that time, the platform did not have its own maintain. The platform is very fast. Phase mainnet chain was launched later in May 2020 when the network was officially launched. The governance structure of the platform is one of the most clearly defined ones, and it's divided into three distinct categories: council, technical committee, and community. In order to steer the network in the right direction, the member of the Polkadot Council 6 to 24 member make proposal. Only a holder of native Polkadot token can become a council member. The council as a whole can do following tasks: elect the members of the technical committee, propose new updates of the network of the community. In any technical emergency, the council can fast-track referendum to acquire the public vote. The council can veto any referendum if the proposal is not suitable for the network. Any users holding DOT can become a council member. In order to reshuffle the council member, an election is held every other week. Not only does it improve the community, but it also increases the participation of community members greatly. Technical committee consists of people who are actively developing Polkadot. The main purpose of the committee is to ensure the seamless operation of Polkadot ecosystem. Other than that, they can make proposals for new update to the council. Technical committee is the only category that can start a fast-track proposal. This committee can also veto any referendum if the proposal poses a security risk. People are added or removed from the technical committee according to the voting result. Just like other crypto platforms, the community consists of those people who are holding DOT. All the community members can participate in three different activities, which are: make proposal, nominate the member of council committee, and vote for referendum. Blockchain connecting to Polkadot in parallel are known as a parachain, and it uses the concept of relay chain. The working mechanism of the platform can be divided into three segments as listed below. The relay chain is a mechanism to check the transaction address and standardize the data. It enables other blockchains to understand the functionality and pool security of the network. In order to achieve better transaction speed, the relay chain model keeps the addition and validation of transactions separate. According to the latest stats, because of the relay chain model, the network can easily process more than 1000 transactions within a single second. As we discussed earlier, Polkadot is a segment multi-chain platform. Different blockchains can interact with the Polkadot network to access its security transaction and nominated proof of stake validation. A central relay chain allows it to process information and complete transaction on a number of different blockchains in parallel. It's known as a parachain that divides the whole network into singular shards or segments. Not only does it ensure shameless data processing, but it also improves the throughput of transactions. Bridges help different blockchains to interact with the Polkadot network. The development to make these bridges more secure is on the way. Moreover, the developers are also developing different bridges for different blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It means that people will able to interact with Polkadot from different blockchains to swap tokens directly without using any central crypto exchange. Some of the biggest problem the almost all the system based on blockchain experience are scalability, interoperability, governance, and transaction speed. Along with these features, the Polkadot platform aims to solve the following problems. The Polkadot network comes with the standard set of validators. It allows the platform to interact and operate with the large array of different blockchains. Because of this feature, the scalability of blockchain can be exponentially increased. Polkadot platform come with great security features that all the other interacting blockchains can use for secure and fast information transmission and transaction exchange. Moreover, each blockchain at the same time also remains independent and can run its own governance model. If you don't already know, the biggest cryptocurrency platforms such as Bitcoin and Ethereum has been split more than once by using forks. It means that their community has been divided multiple times because of conflicts. But Polkadot removes this need completely because it can manage the integration of new features, fix bugs, and deploy updates without hard forks. Dot is the Polkadot token, also known as the native cryptocurrency of the Polkadot platform. It helps the Polkadot user to carry out the core functionalities of the network. The DOT tokens provide the Polkadot user with the complete control over the network. Holding DOT tokens also allow to the user to determine in the new updates and fix recording protocol. If the DOT holders behave honestly, then they are incentivized according to the game theory. Not only does it allow user to earn more DOT tokens by staking, but also ensure the security of the network. The new parachains on the Polkadot platform are added by bonding the DOT tokens in order to remove the non-useful outdated parachain. The bonded tokens are removed. It's a nominated proof of stake mechanism that keeps the system intact. Currently, the total supply of Polkadot token is more than 1 billion dots, and the platform has an inflationary model, so it's expected that the number of total tokens will be increased by 10% every year. Within the Polkadot ecosystem, there are hundreds of different projects where each project comes with unique use case. Here we have discussed only the most popular ones that aims to improve decentralized finance technology. Moonbeam is one of the most popular platforms by the Polkadot network. It's an interoperable network built for the deployment of Polkadot smart contracts. It also allows crypto users to use Moonbeam as a bridge between Ethereum and Polkadot. It also has its own native token known as a GLMR that user can use the platform transaction on Moonbeam. In order to effectively tight tokens pools cross-chain Polkadot has launched the Polkastarter, which is fundraising platform and crypto launchpad. It made it used to for other Polkadot projects to raise funds from Polkadot based. The platform Polkadot use nominated proof of stake mechanism of consensus where anyone holding dot can participate in choosing the validator. Nominators share the information regarding financial fines and reward with validators that they choose. In return, the nominators are incentivized. On the other hand, validators ensure the finality of new blocks and creating and validating them. Regardless of the participation of validators, the Polkadot consensus system incentivizes them with the validation rewards equality. You can store your dot in any crypto wallet that offers Polkadot support, but you will need to use the official Polkadot wallet if you want to bet your dot tokens in the most effective way. For that, you can use a dedicated Polkadot.js browser extension where you can create a Polkadot wallet for yourself. In recent years, especially after mid 2020, Polkadot has performed extraordinarily and it's become one of the best cryptocurrencies around the globe. The recent surge in its price was very dramatic, and within a month, its market capitalization reached 33 billion US dollars from only 7 billion US dollars. The most permanent event in the history of Polkadot was the Vote Forum, another community. The whole ecosystem of Polkadot is gradually improved day by day, and it's only one step away from becoming an integral part of smart contracts. The term of Polkadot developer has a solid plan from the platform future to further improve blockchain interoperability and take it to the next level. We hope this guide will help you to understand what Polkadot is, how it works, and whether it's worth investing in or not.